Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to fix the Binance Withdrawal suspended issue. Sometimes you may see this error when trying to withdraw crypto or fiat, and it usually happens for security or technical reasons. The first thing to do is check if Binance has announced any temporary suspension for the specific coin or network you're using. Maintenance or congestion often causes short delays, and withdrawals resume once the issue is resolved. If that's not the case, make sure your account is fully verified with completed KYC, since unverified accounts may face withdrawal limits or restrictions. Another common reason is security triggers, such as logging in from a new device or changing your password. In these cases, withdrawals are usually suspended for 24 hours as a safety measure. Simply wait for the security window to pass, then try again. If the suspension continues, contact Binance support through the Help Center. They can check if your account has any specific restrictions or if additional verification is needed. And that's it. By checking maintenance updates, verifying your account, waiting for security holds, and reaching out to support, you can fix the Binance Withdrawal suspended issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.